Hi, today we're going to show you how to create your own custom sorority apparel through the design studio on South by Sea. So to do this, you're just going to click on Design Studio right here on the home page. It's going to load right in for you, and then it's going to start you off with a basic white t-shirt. If you want to do just a basic t-shirt, you can come here and change any of these colors, or you can change the product right here. So let's do a hoodie today. So let's just start off with a basic white hoodie. And it just goes right into here. And then you can do a front and back design. You can also do sleeves or add any notes if you want to do a hood imprint or anything like that. Let's just start off with the back here. So today, let's design something for Alpha Chi Omega. So let's start with some text. So you can just type it into here. You can move it around anywhere you want. I think I'm going to do just separate lines for this. And actually, I think I'm going to do all capital letters. Chi Omega. All right. And then you can see down here, you can do a bunch of different fonts. I think we're going to go with a Gothic style font here. So let's see if they have that here. Gothic, perfect. And then they have a bunch of different options as well. I think we want to do maybe a more simplified one. Let's try this. Perfect. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see. And then again, if you want to decide if you didn't like that font, you can go back here and change it to something else just by selecting it. So let's go with this. And then let's get some design going on. So from here, you can, let's try the clip art. I'm going to try maybe a tiger. So I'm going to type tiger into here. Okay, let's see if we can find some tigers that we like. I think I want like not a face, but the whole body. Okay, yeah, let's go with this one. Okay, so make that a little bit bigger, and it gives us these nice outlines so we know like how far the design can go. And let's go ahead and make this orange. Cool. And then now you can see it's kind of over this text, like we don't like that. So basically you can go here and just switch it to below. So now I want kind of an exact replicate of this on this side. So I'm just gonna go and copy this. How do I do that? Duplicate. Okay, so now I have two. I'm gonna go over here and just flip it. Perfect. I think I'm gonna make it a little smaller so they don't run into each other. Okay, a little smaller again. Cool. Maybe even stretch it out a little bit. I don't want to distort it too much, but I still think this one's a little bit bigger. Okay, that looks right. And again, this tiger is like over the writing, so I'm gonna go under, and then I kind of want to do maybe an outline so I can separate it a little bit. So outline is right here. I'm just gonna do white so it's the same color, so now you can see it's a little bit more clear. Cool, I like that. So then that is done. So on the front, what should we do? maybe an AKO in that same font. So let's do a, I'm gonna do caps lock here, AKO. Okay, and then go back to that Gothic font. Let's see, I think we ended up using one of these, so select that. I kind of like it just in the center. That's been really popular lately, like smaller center designs. So yeah, I like that. Pretty simple. And that's how it's gonna look on the front. And then on the back, it's gonna have these tigers. Perfect. Okay, great. So for this, I'm gonna go ahead and save my design. I'm gonna call it Tiger Design. So save this design. Cool, so now I'm able to share this design if I need to get approval from anyone in my chapter. If they want to see it, I can also come back at any time to see this design just by going to my account. And then if I actually want to go through and order or even get the price, I can just do next step. Here, I can enter my total quantity. If I just want one, I can do one. If I want to do, say, 50, I can do 50. If I'm ready to check out, I'll need everybody's sizes, so I can just come here to just check right out. But let's say I don't have that quite yet. So this one does not have any collegiate licensing. It does have some Greek on there, so I'm definitely going to check that because that is going to have to go through Greek licensing. So I'm going to calculate that price. Okay, cool. So if I order 50 items, they're going to be $26.20 each. So I can tell everyone in my sorority that that's how it's going to be. If I think anybody else is going to want these, if I buy 12 more, I can save more money. That's a really nice feature that they have here. So another option would be to get a free design walk. If there is something that I didn't already know how to make, I can just have the designers at South by Sea take care of that for me. But if it's a simple design like this, where I'm pretty happy with everything, I can just go ahead and save it or just go ahead and add sizes and check out. So if I don't have them right now, I can just log into my account later. I can see all the designs that I've made and then show everyone in my sorority, and we can decide from there. So yeah, it's as easy as that. And I can go back and edit my design, make any changes that I want. I can even add anything through this library if I'm trying to, say get a t-shirt for my big or my little. I can look through, this if we're doing a reveal or anything like that. I can also upload any art, and by doing so, I will leave it in the capable hands of the South by Sea designers, and they can help me make something really awesome. And yeah, that's basically it. It's a pretty simple process, and definitely let me know in the comments if there's any types of designs you want to see, anything you're curious about. I know a feature that a lot of people love is that we do actually have Greek letters. So if you want Greek letters on these garments, you can pick them out right here. We have a lot of different options. So even if you don't like this style of font, you can just leave us a note. We can change it to anything you want. So yeah, definitely let me know in the comments anything else you would like to see. Thanks for watching today.